All right, well, what I'm going to first show you here is how we can make our pickaxe play a tune. And in addition to that, we're going to also have it play a tune, but only after it detects that the light has increased from dark to light. You might find something like this inside of a greeting card that when you open it up, it starts playing a tune. Yes, you could have a light sensor inside of the card, or more likely some type of a switch, but we're going to go with the light. So we'll have it so that once the light increases from dark to light, it'll start playing the tune. We'll set the threshold number at 100, so when the light level increases from under 100 to over 100, it'll start to play. So to start, we have to first read the value of the light sensor, and that is under Other. We'll select Read ADC. We'll set it up so that it reads the value from port 4, which is the port that the light sensor is connected to. It'll store that value in bin B0 or box B0 or variable B0, and then now we need to compare. We'll ask it a question. If variable, we'll pick one of those, so if variable B0 is greater than 100, so if it's greater than 100, it'll go this way. If it's not greater than 100, it'll go this way. So if it's not greater than 100, that's going to mean that it is still dark. And if it's still dark, we want to go back and ask the question again. So we'll go back and read the value again, see if it's greater than 100. If not, it'll read it again, and it'll stay in this loop. But once the value does go greater than 100, that means that, if it were a greeting card, it would have been opened. So we'll have it play the tune. So how do you get the tune in there? Well, you're going to go under Flowchart, Import Ringtone Wizard, and then you can go File, Open, and you'll have to find out where the tunes are stored. I have them currently stored under MGSD Shared. If you go under the high school, select on Students, there'll be a folder that says Tunes right there. And there's a bunch of different tunes. We'll just pick some random, well, not so random, I guess. Let's pick whatever loony. Let's try Muppets. Okay, there, and then click on Save to Flowchart. And then when you go under Out, click Tune, and you'll stick that right there. Okay. All right. So once it's greater than 100, it'll play that tune. And then what we could do is we could have it set so that when all is done, we could end it, or we could have it go back to the beginning of the program and start everything over again, which we'll do. Okay, I'm going to program, and we'll see what happens. So now I have my hand over the project right now, so the number should be under 100. Okay, and now I'm going to lift my hand off here in a second, and you should hear it playing. Here we go. I'm going to put my hand back over it again, so that way when the song is done, it'll be dark. Now notice if I take my hand off and keep it off, the light will be over 100, so as soon as the song's done, it'll see that it's still light, and it'll keep playing.